This worksheet is on kites. We're going to focus on the angles of a kite. Specifically, the angle measures when you don't have diagonals running through the kite. So that's what a kite looks like. Your short diagonal would be this one. You know that's the short diagonal because it connects the two vertices that are in between the two sides that aren't congruent. Those two angles are always going to match. So angle A is 120. Now, I don't like how they use one arc here and one arc here. That's doesn't really jive with what I do, so I'm going to put two arcs there. If this is a kite and these angles are different, those are going to be the sides that are the same. That's going to be a 122-degree angle. That's your shorter diagonal. What's the measure of angle R? Well, whatever's left over here. We know there's 360 degrees in a kite because it's a quadrilateral. So we're going to do 360 minus 122 minus 122 minus 50. And that'll give you 66 for that angle right there. Again, I'm going to switch that guy up. I'm going to put two arcs on him because those are not the same. But the angles that are the same are these ones. Those angles will be the same. So I'm starting with 360 in my kite. I'm taking away the 81-degree angle that I know and a 41-degree angle that I know, and I'm left with 238 degrees for these two angles. And those two angles are the same. So I'm dividing by 2. I get 119. Okay, now these are the same type of deal. Just watch those arcs there. I'll put two arcs on there. Those are going to be the same. Those will be the same. For number 7, in this kite, they're telling the measure of angle R is 149 degrees. That means angle T is going to be 149 degrees. That's your short diagonal. So along that short diagonal, those opposite angles are congruent. Number 8, find the measure of angle E in this kite. They're telling the measure of angle C is 84. And the measure of angle D is 116. So short diagonal, those opposite angles are congruent. You'll be able to figure out what's left here.